what I like the most is the toys are quite innovative, and they can either go by theme or they're fairly different. Every time I buy a Kinder Joy, there's usually something new out there. And I think recently they differentiated between girls Kinder Joy and boys Kinder Joy, which is even better because otherwise earlier we'd just get a racing car or something, so my daughter wouldn't be really interested in it. But recently the girls Kinder Joys are really good.
It's nice, it's interesting, the concept, and the best part about is that they are giving these small gifts which create interest in the child, and that is the reason she goes and tells the vendor herself that I want a pink Kinder Joy and bill it for me and let me see what is there inside it. She tells that to the vendor.
It's expensive also, and the kid just play for 2 minutes with a small toy and he just lost, but he demands for always Kinder Joy.
I like the concept of giving a small toy and a chocolate, and which you have to really make, and the kids like that, even though it's a momentary, it doesn't last for more than half an hour, the toy, but it's good.
As a mother, I don't encourage kids to eat it. Though my son, who is an 8-year-old, he insists on buying Kinder Joy only for the fact that it has a toy and he can makes it because they are dismantled, and he loves making it together and enjoying it. But I don't let him eat the Kinder Joy. Somehow I have this perception that it's not healthy and it's not good. As I say, I have this mental block or something that it's not healthy, it's not fresh. I don't know. But somehow it's not safe or something. And moreover, in between there was a link on the bag that it has a lot of wax and this and that. It's just the mind block which is there.
To be very honest, I was not, I was not wanting to give her Kinder Joy. I always bought it for her. But of late, since the last 4-5 months, I've heard that Kinder Joy is not good for the kids. So I read it somewhere online, and a couple of parents also, like mums, when we meet, we discuss. So from that time, I've actually stopped buying Kinder Joy.
Waste of money, and even the toys you get in Kinder Joy is rubbish.